once I have the bottoms, there's one outlet there, one switch there. That's going to be the hardest part, to do a small little cutout there. So I'll go do my cut, bring it over, figure out my measurements there. When you're working solo, there's a whole bunch of dust and all kind of other crazy stuff going on all around you, and you got like a big sheet like this. So I got some screws in my pocket, got this little guy. Love this little handle. Slap it on your pants whenever you want it, reach for it and you grab it. Paste it up a little bit more. I have to do a little repair there once I cover it up. I'm getting very close to finishing this project. This is where I finished off last time. I was able to put this one side of sheetrock, the bottom panel, top panel, so screwed in, and I was able to finish everything as far as my insulation goes. Alright, so that one part right there, definitely got me to where I have this wall done, that wall done. This is gonna be a pain. Really fun project, and I just realized I kind of buried one of my switches. That was dumb. But this cam light, the one that's on the very top up there, has a switch, and I was putting this piece right here, and switch is here somewhere. This looks normal. That's how it's supposed to look like. That switch, shoot over, hit my cam light. Alright, so shit. Everything's like super dusty right now, but man, I like when I finish something like this, especially like a big project like this. I'm not like 100% finished, but the progress on it is it's a lot. Like, I was just looking at the initial drawing that I had planned out of like how I wanted this to be like, or how I wanted this to look like, and from a single drawing I made this.
I got the drawing down, figure out what I was gonna do, and then I started plugging away, just carving and carving. A little bit every day, a little bit every day.